In the heart of Yunnan, surrounded by snow-capped peaks, their mission to search for the elusive wild Matsutake. At 3 a.m., Droma and her mother began their trek into the forest. The search for high-quality Matsutake is no easy task. Droma's mother scours the ground, but this year, the lack of rainfall has stunted growth.
It used to be easier to find Matsutake, but now it's becoming increasingly rare.
With unwavering determination, Droma and her mother continue their quest for premium Matsutake. Their hard work pays off as they discover a bounty of